I asked ChatGPT and AI if it meant the end for photo reading and traditional research. It said, absolutely not. Because AI can weaken cognitive skills and diminish critical thinking. I agree. Tap into your own limitless genius potential with photo reading and activate your brain in ways you wouldn't believe were humanly possible. Contact Marilyn Devonish at TranceFormationstm.com today to learn online on demand or in person. Sign up for the online on-demand photo reading certification class with the NeuroSuccess coach Marilyn Devonish and get started as soon as today. If you're in the UK, you can take the live in-person photo reading class. Go to transformationstm.com/photo reading.
To see what ChatGPT had to say in full, Marilyn Devonish has included a copy of the transcript. We look forward to seeing you at the next photo reading class or working with you virtually.